The first rule of survival is to find a water source. If you don't have water for 3 days, you will die.
Holy shit, snake! What? Chris, by your leg! What? Right there! Where? Fuck you, dude.
That's not funny! See? I told you I could find clean water! You know what I named that waterfall? I named that waterfall, fuck you, Barry! This is possibly the freshest water in the world, guys.
Chris?
Please. I'm acting thirsty, okay, Barry?
Chris, there's a fucking...
Barry, what the fuck? Shut up, I'm concentrating. What? Whoa! 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 Oh my god, fuck! Holy shit!
Yeah, dude, you totally just ate that thing's guts. Are you okay, man?
You better not.